The armrest is mounted into the seat frame. There's a zipper. The seat has a zipper originally, and you unzip it to get into the seat. You have to unclip a couple of things at the rear first, but then you get to bolt a hinge into the seat frame. You need to cut a hole here, of course, and that's it. It's not very complicated at all, and that's it. It's a bit wobbly side to side, but that's it. And the wobbliness is due to the frame flexing, not the hinge. The hinge is very strong. You also have a height adjustment here, which changes the angle a bit, so you can get it further down if you want. You have storage inside, and matches very well. And that's about it.